Ever wondered what happens when you hit Netflix and play? Behind the scene, the internet follows a layered recipe called the OSI model. I'm sure you've heard of it. Now, the first layer is the application layer, which is your Netflix app, and this is where you choose the show. The second layer is the presentation layer. The video gets encrypted with HTTPS so that nobody is able to spy. The third layer is your session layer. Now, session layer keeps your stream alive, which means you don't have to log in every 2 minutes, right? Your session is established and you're able to watch without interruptions unless, there is an ad. Next is your transport layer. Transport layer makes sure that every scene arrives in order, right? And UDP is mostly used in any live streams for speed. Finally, you have your network layer. Network layer is basically where the entire concept of IP address comes in. An IP address will tell the internet where to deliver the movie, where to deliver the show that you selected. And then there is this data link layer. Data link layer is where your Wi-Fi router, you all have Wi-Fi routers at your homes, and this is forwarding the data through its MAC address. And finally, your physical layer. Let me show you the physical layer. And cables like these can be called as your physical layer, where actually the data is flowing. One important thing to note is that the OSI model is theoretical in nature. It's more of a teaching framework where we show the 7 layers, but in real world, the actual internet applications, you can say that these run on TCP IP. For TCP IP, there are mainly 4 layers: application, transport, internet, and network access. App layer provides network services directly to user. For example, for web browsing, you have HTTP and HTTPS, email transfers, SMTP, file transfers, FTP, and then transport layer will ensure reliable communication between applications. You have this TCP and UDP. Then you have the internet layer, which handles any logical addressing and routing of packets. And then finally, you have your network access layer, which involves the physical addressing and data transfer over hardware. Hopefully, this video was helpful to at least get some basic understanding. Please read more about it. Till then, happy learning and have a good one.